Carbonite Availability Online Training. Introduction to Carbonite Availability. Carbonite Availability is a disaster recovery solution designed to protect businesses from data loss and downtime by ensuring continuous availability of critical systems. Here's an overview. Key features: continuous data protection. Carbonite Availability provides real-time data replication, ensuring that changes to data are captured and mirrored instantly to a secondary location. Failover and failback. It allows for automatic failover to a secondary system in the event of a primary system failure. Once the issue is resolved, you can easily fail back to the original system with minimal disruption. Cross-platform support. The solution supports a wide range of platforms including Windows, Linux, and Unix. This cross-platform capability is crucial for heterogeneous IT environments. Bandwidth efficiency. Carbonite Availability optimizes bandwidth usage with features like compression, data deduplication, and byte-level replication, which reduces the amount of data that needs to be transferred. Scalability. It scales from small businesses to large enterprises, offering solutions that can be tailored to the specific needs of different organizations. Non-disruptive testing. You can perform disaster recovery testing without affecting your production environment, ensuring that your failover plans are effective without risking downtime. Use cases. Disaster recovery. In the event of a natural disaster, cyber attack, or system failure, Carbonite Availability ensures that your critical systems remain operational or can be quickly restored. Migration. The solution can be used for migrating systems from one environment to another, such as from on-premises to cloud, without significant downtime. High availability. For applications that require high availability, Carbonite Availability ensures that they remain accessible and operational even in the face of hardware failures. How it works. Replication. Data is continuously replicated from the primary system to a secondary system, either within the same data center, across different locations, or to the cloud. Failover. In the event of a failure, the system automatically redirects workloads to the secondary system to maintain service continuity. Failback. After the primary system is restored, you can transfer operations back with minimal disruption. Benefits. Minimize downtime. By providing automatic failover and near-instant recovery, Carbonite Availability minimizes downtime, which is critical for businesses where every minute of downtime can be costly. Data integrity. Continuous data protection ensures that all data is up-to-date and secure, reducing the risk of data loss. Key features and capabilities of Carbonite Availability. Carbonite Availability is a robust disaster recovery and business continuity solution designed to protect data, applications, and systems by ensuring continuous availability and minimizing downtime. Here are some of its key features and capabilities. 1. Real-time replication. Continuous data protection. Carbonite Availability continuously replicates data from source to target in real time, ensuring that the target environment is always up to date with the latest changes. Bidirectional replication allows replication in both directions, enabling seamless failover and failback operations. 2. Automated failover and failback. Instant failover. In the event of a system failure, Carbonite Availability can automatically switch operations to the target system with minimal downtime. Failback capabilities. Once the primary system is restored, the solution facilitates an easy failback process to resume normal operations. 3. Cross-platform support. Heterogeneous environments supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and various Unix variants, allowing replication across different platforms. Cloud and virtualization support, compatible with cloud environments like AWS, Azure, and virtual platforms such as VMware and Hyper-V, enabling flexible deployment options. 4. Bandwidth optimization. Efficient data transfer. Carbonite Availability uses compression and bandwidth throttling techniques to optimize data transfer and reduce the impact on network performance. WAN optimization. Designed for WAN environments, it ensures efficient replication even over long distances. 5. Non-disruptive testing. Failover testing allows organizations to perform failover tests in isolated environments without impacting production systems, ensuring disaster recovery plans are effective. Compliance support facilitates regular testing to meet compliance requirements and validate disaster recovery strategies. 6. Centralized management. Unified Console offers a centralized management console to monitor and control replication, failover, and failback operations across multiple systems. Alerting and reporting provides real-time alerts and comprehensive reporting to keep administrators informed of the status of protected systems. 7. Application awareness. Application-level protection. Carbonite Availability is designed to protect critical applications like databases, ERP systems, and email servers, ensuring they remain available during a disaster. Transaction consistency ensures that replicated data is transactionally consistent, minimizing the risk of data corruption or loss. 8. Scalability. Flexible deployment scales from small businesses to large enterprises, supporting a wide range of workloads and configurations. Cluster support, compatible with clustered environments, providing high availability for complex systems. 9. Security features. Encryption. Data is encrypted during replication to protect sensitive information both in transit and at rest. Access controls implements role-based access controls to restrict system access to authorized personnel. Architecture and deployment options in Carbonite Availability. Carbonite Availability is a high availability and disaster recovery solution designed to keep critical systems online and minimize downtime. Below is an overview of its architecture and deployment options. 1. Architecture of Carbonite Availability. Source and target servers. The basic architecture of Carbonite Availability involves two primary components: the source server, production environment, and the target server, standby environment. The software continuously replicates data from the source to the target server in real time or near real time. Data replication. Carbonite Availability uses real-time byte-level replication to ensure data on the source server is continuously synchronized with the target server. This is done through a secure, encrypted connection to protect data during transmission. Heartbeat and monitoring. The software monitors the health of both source and target servers through a heartbeat mechanism. If the source server fails, the target server can take over, ensuring minimal disruption. Failover and failback. In case of failure, an automated or manual failover can be initiated to switch operations to the target server. After the primary server is restored, a failback process is used to resynchronize and revert operations to the original source server. Control Center. Carbonite availability features a centralized management console where administrators can configure replication settings, monitor the health of servers, and manage failover failback operations. 2. Deployment options. On-premises deployment. In an on-premises deployment, both the source and target servers are located within the same physical data center or across different on-premises data centers. This setup is ideal for organizations that want complete control over their IT infrastructure. Hybrid deployment. Hybrid deployment involves deploying the source server on-premises and the target server in a cloud environment or vice versa. This provides a balance between control and scalability, allowing businesses to leverage cloud resources for disaster recovery. Cloud deployment. In a fully cloud-based deployment, both source and target servers are hosted in the cloud. This is suitable for businesses that have migrated their infrastructure to the cloud or are operating in a cloud-first environment. Cloud deployment options include popular platforms like AWS, Azure, or a managed service provider. Cross-platform deployment. Carbonite availability supports cross-platform deployments, allowing replication between different operating systems, example Windows to Linux, or environments, example on-premises to cloud. This flexibility makes it a versatile solution for diverse IT landscapes. 3. Deployment models. One-to-one protection. This is the most common deployment model, where a single source server is paired with a single target server for high availability and disaster recovery. It ensures dedicated resources for each protected server. Real-time data protection in Carbonite availability. Real-time data protection in Carbonite availability ensures that your critical systems and data are continuously protected against disruptions and data loss. Carbonite availability offers a suite of features designed to keep your data secure and your operations running smoothly with minimal downtime. Key features. Continuous data replication. Carbonite availability replicates data in real time from your primary systems to a secondary location. This ensures that an up-to-date copy of your data is always available in case of system failure or disaster. Block-level replication. It operates at the block level, meaning only the changes made to your data are replicated. This minimizes bandwidth usage and ensures that the replication process is efficient and quick. Automatic failover. In the event of a system outage or failure, Carbonite availability can automatically fail over to the secondary location. This allows for near-instantaneous recovery with minimal disruption to business operations. Failback capabilities. Once the primary system is restored, Carbonite availability facilitates an easy failback process, synchronizing any changes made while the secondary system was active. Cross-platform support. It supports a wide range of platforms, including Windows and Linux, enabling seamless protection and recovery across diverse IT environments. Data encryption. All data replicated through Carbonite availability is encrypted, ensuring that your data remains secure during transmission and storage. Customizable retention settings. You can customize retention settings to determine how long to keep historical copies of your data, allowing for more flexible recovery options. Benefits. Minimize downtime. With real-time data replication and automatic failover, downtime is reduced to virtually zero, ensuring business continuity. Data integrity. Continuous protection ensures that data remains intact and up-to-date, even during unexpected disruptions. Scalability. Carbonite availability can scale with your business needs, protecting growing volumes of data across multiple platforms. Simplified management. The solution offers an intuitive interface for easy management and monitoring of your data protection strategy. Use cases. Disaster recovery. Businesses can quickly recover from natural disasters, cyber attacks, or hardware failures with minimal impact on operations. High availability. Organizations that require uninterrupted access to critical applications and data can ensure high availability through real-time replication and failover mechanisms. Compliance. For industries with strict data protection regulations, Carbonite availability helps meet compliance requirements by ensuring data is continuously protected and recoverable. Integration with existing IT infrastructure in Carbonite availability. Integrating Carbonite availability with existing IT infrastructure involves several steps to ensure seamless data protection, replication, and disaster recovery. Here's how to approach this integration. 1. Assess compatibility. Operating systems. Ensure that Carbonite availability supports the operating systems, Windows, Linux, etc., in your infrastructure. Applications and databases. Verify compatibility with your existing applications, databases, and critical systems. Carbonite supports various databases like SQL Server, Oracle, and others. 2. Network configuration. Bandwidth requirements. Assess your network's bandwidth to handle replication traffic without affecting regular operations. Network settings. Configure network settings such as IP addresses, subnets, and firewalls to allow seamless data replication between primary and secondary sites. 3. Replication configuration. Source and target servers. Identify the source, production, and target, disaster recovery, servers. Install Carbonite availability on both, ensuring that they meet the system requirements. Data replication. Configure real-time replication for critical data, ensuring that the target server mirrors the source server's state. 4. Integration with existing backup solutions. Coordination. Integrate Carbonite availability with existing backup solutions to avoid conflicts and ensure comprehensive data protection. Backup scheduling. Coordinate backup schedules to avoid overlap with replication processes. 5. Security considerations. Encryption. Enable encryption for data in transit and at rest to align with your organization's security policies. Access control. Integrate with your existing access control systems to manage permissions and roles effectively. 6. Testing and validation. Failover testing. Regularly test the failover process to ensure that the target servers can take over without data loss or downtime. Performance monitoring. Use Carbonite's monitoring tools to assess the replication performance and address any issues promptly. 7. Documentation and training. Process documentation documents the integration process, including configuration settings, policies, and procedures. Training. Provide training for IT staff on managing and monitoring Carbonite availability within the existing infrastructure. 8. Support and maintenance. Vendor support. Leverage Carbonite support services for troubleshooting and optimizing the integration. Regular updates. Keep Carbonite availability and related infrastructure components updated to ensure compatibility and security. Use cases and applications in Carbonite availability. Carbonite availability is a high availability and disaster recovery solution designed to keep critical systems online, even in the event of hardware failures, natural disasters, or human errors. Here are some key use cases and applications. 1. Disaster recovery and business continuity. Use case. Organizations need to ensure that their systems can recover quickly from disasters like natural events, cyber attacks, or hardware failures. Application. Carbonite availability provides continuous replication of data to an off-site location, enabling rapid recovery and minimal downtime. 2. High availability for critical applications. Use case. Businesses require certain applications to be available 24/7, with no tolerance for downtime. Application. Carbonite availability ensures that critical applications are always accessible by replicating data in real time to a secondary system, which can take over automatically in case of a primary system failure. 3. Cross-platform data migration. Use case. Companies are looking to migrate data and applications between different platforms, example, from on-premises to cloud environments, without downtime. Application. Carbonite availability supports real-time data migration between physical, virtual, and cloud environments, allowing seamless transitions with minimal disruption to operations. 4. Remote office branch office, robo, support. Use case. Enterprises with multiple remote offices need to ensure data protection and application availability across geographically dispersed locations. Application. Carbonite availability can replicate data from remote or branch offices to a central data center or the cloud, ensuring that data is protected and can be restored in case of local outages. 5. Compliance and data integrity. Use case. Organizations in regulated industries need to ensure data integrity and availability to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Application. Carbonite availability offers continuous data replication, ensuring that data remains consistent and accessible, meeting compliance standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and others. 6. Cloud backup and recovery. Use case. Businesses are looking to leverage cloud storage for cost-effective backup and disaster recovery. Application. Carbonite availability allows organizations to replicate data to the cloud, providing an additional layer of protection and enabling rapid recovery from the cloud in case of a disaster. 7. Server consolidation and virtualization. Use case. Companies want to consolidate servers and move workloads to virtualized environments to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Application Carbonite availability supports server consolidation and virtualization initiatives by providing real-time replication and failover capabilities, ensuring that virtualized workloads are protected and can be quickly restored. 8. Application-level protection. Use case-specific applications, such as databases or ERP systems, require continuous availability and data integrity. Application Carbonite availability offers application-level protection by replicating data at the application level, ensuring that mission-critical applications remain available and data is never lost. High availability versus disaster recovery in Carbonite availability. In Carbonite availability, both high availability (HA) and disaster recovery (DR) are crucial components, but they serve different purposes and involve different strategies. High availability (HA) purpose HA focuses on ensuring that your systems are continuously operational with minimal downtime. It aims to provide a near-zero recovery time objective, RTO, by keeping your primary systems up and running. How it works: Carbonite availability achieves HA by continuously replicating data in real time between your primary and secondary systems. If the primary system fails, the secondary system can take over with minimal disruption. This process typically involves synchronous replication. Data is replicated in real time to the secondary system, ensuring no data loss. Failover automation. The system automatically switches to the secondary system in case of a failure, ensuring continuous availability. Use case HA is ideal for mission-critical applications that require continuous uptime, such as financial services, healthcare systems, and e-commerce platforms. Disaster recovery (DR) purpose DR focuses on restoring systems and data after a catastrophic event, such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, or hardware failures. It aims to provide a defined recovery point objective, RPO, and RTO, balancing data loss and recovery time. How it works: Carbonite availability facilitates DR by maintaining an off-site copy of your systems and data, typically through asynchronous replication. In case of a disaster, you can restore your systems from the off-site location. This process typically involves asynchronous replication. Data is replicated at intervals, so there may be some data loss between the last replication and the disaster event. Manual or semi-automatic failover. The process of switching to the DR site may require some manual intervention or might be semi-automated, depending on the setup. Use case: DR is suited for scenarios where occasional downtime is acceptable and the focus is on recovering from significant disruptions, such as during a natural disaster or a severe cyber attack. Key differences. Objective: HA aims to keep systems running without interruption, while DR focuses on recovering systems after a disruption. Replication method: HA uses synchronous replication for real-time data consistency, whereas DR typically uses asynchronous replication. Failover process: HA involves automated failover for seamless transitions, while DR might involve more manual processes. Data loss: HA minimizes or eliminates data loss, while DR accepts some data loss, as per RPO, in exchange for cost-effectiveness and broader disaster scenarios coverage. Conclusion: both HA and DR are essential for comprehensive business continuity planning. While HA ensures continuous operation and minimizes downtime, DR provides a robust safety net for restoring operations after significant disruptions. Future roadmap and innovations in carbonite availability. Carbonite availability, known for its robust data protection and disaster recovery capabilities, has been evolving with trends in cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data management. Although specific future roadmaps are often proprietary, here are some likely directions and innovations for carbonite availability. 1. Enhanced cloud integration. Multi-cloud support, expanding support for multiple cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, to offer seamless disaster recovery and data replication across diverse cloud environments. Cloud-native features. Development of cloud-native features like containerized applications backup and Kubernetes support to align with modern DevOps practices. 2. Advanced security enhancements. Ransomware protection, incorporating more sophisticated ransomware detection and prevention mechanisms, leveraging AI/ML to identify and mitigate threats before they impact data. Zero Trust architecture, implementing zero trust principles to secure data at every level, ensuring that even internal communications within the system are continuously authenticated and verified. 3. AI-driven data management. Predictive analytics, utilizing AI for predictive analytics in disaster recovery, enabling systems to anticipate failures and initiate preventive measures. Intelligent automation, automating recovery processes and optimizing backup schedules based on AI-driven insights to minimize downtime and optimize resource use. 4. Expanded data mobility and flexibility. Cross-platform recovery, innovations that allow for more flexible data recovery across different operating systems and environments, ensuring minimal disruption. Hybrid environments, enhanced support for hybrid IT environments, allowing seamless data movement between on-premises systems and cloud platforms. 5. Improved performance and scalability. High-performance replication, continued improvements in replication speed and efficiency, particularly for large-scale enterprise environments with extensive data requirements. Scalability, enhanced scalability to support larger and more complex environments, including more robust multi-site replication and failover capabilities. 6. Compliance and governance. Regulatory compliance, adding features to help organizations comply with stringent data protection regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and others, including automated compliance reporting and auditing tools. Data sovereignty, ensuring that data residency requirements are met, particularly for international enterprises dealing with diverse regulatory environments. 7. User experience and accessibility. Unified Management Console, streamlining the management interface to provide a more unified and intuitive user experience, simplifying the process of managing backups, replication, and recovery across multiple environments. Mobile accessibility, enhancing mobile access capabilities, allowing administrators to monitor and manage disaster recovery processes on the go. Why choose ProExcellency for Carbonite availability online training? Choosing Pro Excellency for Carbonite availability online training could be advantageous for several reasons. 1. Expert trainers. Pro Excellency often employs industry experts with extensive experience in carbonite availability. Their trainers typically bring real-world insights, which can help you understand practical applications beyond theoretical knowledge. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program is likely to cover all aspects of carbonite availability, including installation, configuration, administration, and troubleshooting. This ensures a well-rounded understanding of the software. 3. Flexible learning options. Pro Excellency offers online training, making it accessible regardless of your location. They may also provide flexible scheduling options, allowing you to learn at your own pace. 4. Hands-on experience. The training often includes hands-on labs and practical exercises. This practical approach helps reinforce learning and ensures that you are capable of implementing carbonite availability in real-world scenarios. 5. Certification preparation. If you're aiming to get certified in carbonite availability, Pro Excellency's training might be designed to help you prepare for the certification exams, ensuring that you are well equipped to pass. 6. Support and resources. Pro Excellency may offer ongoing support during and after the course, including access to learning resources, study materials, and a community of peers for networking and knowledge sharing. 7. Proven track record. With a reputation for delivering quality training in various IT domains, Pro Excellency likely has a proven track record of helping professionals enhance their skills and advance their careers. 8. Customized training. Depending on your needs, Pro Excellency might offer customized training modules tailored to your specific industry requirements or organizational goals, making the learning experience more relevant. 9. Cost-effective. Their courses are often competitively priced, providing good value for the depth and quality of training you receive. Thank you.